Applesauce.
And then just go around.
No, this one here.
Don't give it away, Josh. Gosh.
Does it start with the letter that it has on the outside of the bag?
That's what I misunderstood that too.
I mean, I can't think of anything that starts with an X that goes with a baby, but
Yeah.
There is, there is, on the A, that one,
It has an A in it.
has an A in it, but it's not,
doesn't start with an A.
doesn't start with an A.
Oh, where you go through it again.
Do you wanna give him a hint? It's a, that hint would work, wouldn't it?
Huh?
It's a toy. It's a baby toy, so, if you can guess, so if you wanna start, we'll start from the beginning, since it's kinda hard. Go ahead, get it, Bert.
Car.
No.
Train.
No.
Rabbit.
Win.
Huh?
You gotta guess now or not at all. It's your choice. And Kevin, you can guess too.
Okay.
A ball?
That's what it is. Like that. Keep going.
Here.
You get sunflower seeds, a rattle, or a baby root. Which one you want?
I'll take the rattle.
Okay, next letter.
L.
And it does start with an L.
Oh, does it start with an L?
It does start with an L.
Okay.
And it's on it deals with baby still.
Wow. I have no idea what starts with an L.
How many
Okay.
minutes have you recorded?
I have no idea.
2 minutes and 12 seconds.
5 minutes and cut it off.
I don't know either.
A train?
Starts with an L. Something that starts with an L. Give us a little hint.
It's something we all have on us right now.
Not all of us.
Well, I got almost everybody
Okay.
here.
Starts with an L. If nobody can guess it, we can just give up on it.
Is it a rattle?
No.
Does it start with an L?
Well,
Lips.
Gloves.
Go ahead and show them.
This is the laces on the boots.
Oh.
Laces on booty.
On the boot.
Laces.
Now the E. Is that E?
Yeah.
Start with an E?
Yeah,
That's what the knee.
And it's something that goes,
and it's a baby. And it's a toy again.
Ernie?
No.
On Sesame Street?
You know what it is called?
what's your favorite character?
Eeyore.
You want the prize number?
Kermit Frog.
Eeyore.
It's
Eeyore. Starts with an E.
Yeah.
What do you want? A rattle, sunflowers, or baby root?
I'll take the rattle too. I should have guessed that right off.
Yeah. I was trying not to give it away. My face. I'm gonna give it away.
Okay, X.
ox.
Okay,
No.
it's something. It's. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to not give it away, and I'm trying to think. How would you describe it, Josh?
It's a size.
It's a size. And it deals with the baby. And it's a size.
An X-ray?
Extra small.
Uh-huh. Feel it.
Well, known as both ways.
I think the extra smallest person here should win that one.
You want him to have
I
it?
think the extra smallest person should win that one.
What do you want? You want sunflower?
The extra smallest.
Baby Ruth or red?
Yes, please.
Which one do you want?